Supreme Court bombshell. PDP collapses and APC in limbo. What this means for 2027. Nigerian political landscape has just been shaken to its core. The Supreme Court of Nigeria has delivered a major judgment that could redefine opposition political parties ahead of 2027. The People's Democratic Party is in crisis, and the African Democratic Congress is hanging in uncertainty, while the Labour Party is unstable. And here is a full breakdown, no confusion, just facts. For the PDP, the Apex Court has delivered a decisive blow to the People's Democratic Party. The controversial Ibadan Convention has been declared illegal, null and void. That means the leadership that emerged from that convention, including the faction linked to Tamina Turaki, has been completely wiped out legally. So why did the court do this? Because the PDP went ahead with that convention despite a valid court order stopping it. The Supreme Court made it clear you cannot disobey a court and expect legitimacy. So, in simple terms, that faction no longer exists in the eyes of the law. This is a massive internal reset. The PDP now faces two options. 1. Reorganize its leadership from the scratch. 2. Conduct a fresh legally recognized convention. And importantly, INEC will not recognize any leadership that came out from that voided process. So politically, this weakens the party ahead of 2027 and strengthens outside bloc within and outside of the party. Some may ask, what about Abdul Rahman Mohammed faction linked to the FCT minister Nyesom Wike? The Supreme Court did not say faction A is now the PDP leader or faction B is now recognized. Now for the African Democratic Congress, the Supreme Court did not land any victory to any faction, but instead the court cancelled the earlier status quo order and sent the entire case back to the lower court. What this means, the leadership battle is still alive. No winner yet. The court is basically saying go back and properly determine this case. So the ADC remains in political limbo. So for the Labour Party of Nigeria, there is no judgment today in this batch. However, the party is still battling internal leadership tension involving the likes of Nenade Usman. So while the PDP has been hit hard, the Labour Party crisis is still unfolding separately. So this judgment changes everything. PDP has been weakened and must rebuild. ADC is uncertain and still fighting. Labour Party remains unstable. All three major opposition parties are now in one form of crisis or the other. And this will certainly reshape the road to 2027 election. One court ruling, three parties shaking, and the battle for Nigerian political future just gets intense. Stay informed because this story is far from over.